Okay, these guys, I've seen Gracie and Victor up here on top of the tunnel. What do you want? What do you want? You got up there, you silly girl. You can get down. You got up there, you can get down. Come on. You can get down. You got up there. Getting down is not as easy as getting up. Hmm?